There wasn't a lady who swallowed a fly. Illustrated by Pam Adams. Hi kids! Today's story is called There Wasn't a Lady Who Swallowed a Fly, and it's literally about a lady who swallowed a fly. Let's read the story and see how it goes. There wasn't a lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she will die. There wasn't a lady who swallowed a spider. The wiggled and wiggled and jiggled inside her. She swallowed a spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she will die. There wasn't a lady who swallowed a bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. There wasn't a lady who swallowed a cat. Well, fancy that she swallowed a cat. She swallowed a cat to catch the bird. There wasn't a lady who swallowed a dog. What a hog to swallow a dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. There wasn't a lady who swallowed a cow. I don't know how she swallowed a cow. She swallowed a cow to catch the dog. There wasn't a lady who swallowed a horse. She is dead, of course. The end. What an odd story. But I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.